Hello students. Today in this lecture, we will discuss how to do formatting via quick analysis tool. One of the quickest and easiest way to apply data bars, color scales, icon set, greater than, or top 100 conditional formatting to a data table is with quick analysis tool. As you did it earlier by selecting a cell and going to conditional formatting in the styles group. You're having so many options here for applying any of the formatting to your cells. Let's do the formatting of your table with the quick analysis tool. The coolest thing about applying conditional formatting in this manner is that live preview lets you visualize how your data looks with a particular type of conditional formatting before you actually apply it. So let's do it practical. To assign conditional formatting with quick analysis tool, you just select your table. The icon for quick analysis occur. Just click this tool. There is an option of formatting. When you select the data bar, it shows you the preview of your selected content. Look, it is icon set, the greater, the top 10%, last one is the clear. This is the easiest and the quickest method to apply formatting to your cells in a table. It also gives a live preview of your data, that which icon you have applied it. You have to note that if you click the greater than button on the quick analysis, there is this button. Excel displays a greater than box where you specify the threshold value in the format cells that are greater than the text box. As well as you have to select the color of the formatting for all the cells above that threshold in the drop-down list to its right. If we are writing here 4, 5, 3, 4, then it has changed its colors. You can see the live preview of it, and you can also change the color of your bars, and you press OK and you will find out what is the data. So this was all about the conditional formatting using the styles group and using the quick analysis tool. Thank you.